This presentation will help you to learn what are Cornell notes and how can we use them in our social studies class to help us learn the material. First, we have to understand the rationale behind the use of Cornell notes. Cornell notes are a note-taking system devised in the 1950s by Walter Pock and simplified for our use in class. They are brief, organized, and the multiple times you will interact with your notes will help you when you're preparing for your test. Using Cornell notes has been shown to increase your comprehension about what you have read, encourages critical thinking about ideas presented, and leads to better understanding and retention of material. You will also find if you use Cornell notes and review your notes daily for 5 minutes, you will have increased test scores. Cornell notes are divided into 3 sections. The notes section is the largest section. The cues section is the smaller, more narrow section on the left, and the summary section is below. A vertical line separates the cues and notes, and a horizontal line separates the summary section. You can draw these lines on your note paper or use the class template page. The notes section is for taking notes as you read the text. Notes in this section are informal, abbreviated, and main ideas and details can be organized using a dash dot format. Headings and subheadings should be clearly marked, and vocabulary is defined here. The cues section is where we write our thinking about the notes we have taken. This section will include essential questions for each subsection of the chapter. It is also a good place to list vocabulary words you have defined in the notes section. This area can also be used for unanswered questions, aha moments, or connections you make to ideas in the text. The summary section is located at the bottom of the page. It is used for writing a summary that answers your essential questions and informs us of the big ideas in the text. The writing of the summary is usually written several hours after taking notes and cues. The summary section promotes deeper understanding of the big ideas and answers the question, so what? Why do I need to know this? Cornell notes will help you study for your essay tests if you reread and review the notes for at least 5 minutes every day. The benefits of reviewing your notes daily is it increases your ability to recall up to 70% more information, and you will avoid the need to cram the night before a test. Cornell notes are great for quizzing yourself or others when you fold the paper along the vertical line so you can see the cues section. Then flip the page over to check your answers. It is also recommended that you revisit your summary and revise it as needed. Now that you know why we use Cornell notes, let's practice writing them together for our first lesson.